Hey guys, RoonPicker here from another lockpicking video, and today I'm excited to bring to you Junk by Jordan. We're using the hashtag Challenge Lock Saturday, and it looks like he made his lock out of a quick set, and you can see a lot of really nice carvings on here. You can see he carved the, carved the faceplate there really nicely, a lot of good detail. And then on here, don't know how well that's showing up. Maybe you guys can see it. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see Jordan, and then he carved the date. There we go. Now you can see that. So you can see he carved his name, and he carved the date that he created the lock. And we got the mummified key here. It says Junk on here, and it says shim required on this other side. So let's go ahead and get this in the vise and see if we can get it picked today. Alright, that's not good. I think 50 thousandths, if I remember, quick sets is 40. Here's 50. Yep. 50 thousandths, and we'll use our standard hook and 25 thousandths. And I don't have my hook 7 and 25, so we'll use the other hook 7 and 18. Now let's see if we can get this open. I'm going to pick clockwise. I got some good clicks. I think we need this. There we go. That's a good click on the back. That pin, was it pin? Which pin is that one? That one's pin 4, I think. Pin 4 on the back, I think, is a low cut. There we go. Oh, there we go. There's a deep ball set. Trying to see which one is holding this up. Did we drop it? Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know. I must have overset something there. Alrighty, we are picked on camera. You can see we guys are picked. Let's go ahead and take this apart. And you know the drill, let's open up the key and see what we're dealing with. There we go. Boom, got it in the trash can actually. Oh, that's some pretty good bidding actually. You can see that. We got a lot of high cuts and some low valleys, so not the craziest bidding, but definitely put up some fight. You can see flawlessly, no snagging whatsoever. Great job, Jordan, on the key and the pins. Let's get this off the back. Come on. I'm gonna have to do this other way. It's one thing I don't like about this quick set is I hate the clip the E-clip they have on the back here. It's hard to get off. There we go. Got it off. It did say we require a shim, so thankfully we have some shims out. Let's put the key in here. Let's turn it. Get our shim out. Oop, don't push it out yet. Okay, we got the shim in. Let's get our follower. There we go. Like butter. Ooh, interesting. I'll have to show you guys that here in a second. We got pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so you can see what he did with these trap holes. He filled it in and then sanded it down. That's actually what I did with my challenge lock as well. So kudos to him for thinking ahead about those trap holes. Let's see, did he thread anything in here? So threading in 1, nothing in 2, threading in 3, nothing in 4, threading in 5. Actually, looks like chamber 4, he tried to do undercuts. It's very faintly. There's definitely nothing in 2, but it looks like they tried to do undercuts in chamber 4. Let's get our shim out. Tweezers. Pin 1. Been a long day at work, guys. I'm excited for the weekend. I don't know how you guys doing. You guys got any plans? Let me know what you guys are excited for in the comments. I think there's a spring in there, but I can't seem to get it out. Last one. Did we lose a spring or something? I may have to go on a hunt. I'm pretty certain I was careful, didn't lose any springs. Let's take this off and it'll tell me if we're missing a spring or if it's just stuck in here. Nope, there's a spring in here. It's just stuck. Okay. Alrighty. And I guess we can look at this while we're here. Did it thread anything here? Nothing was done to the Bible. Put that clip back on there. Okay. Let's finalize this, get this all together, and we will get our camera over here. Let me organize this. Sorry, I know this is taking a second. All right. Alrighty. Camera time. So you can see these key pins here. And you can see you got some really nicely serrated ones. The spring looks a little mangled, but you can see he tried to do variation in spring strength. We got this one in chamber 2 is really long, and then the one in chamber 4 looks like it's been thinned out. And then if we look at here, I don't know how closely you guys, oh, there we go, that's perfect. You guys can see the threading in the chamber, and we got that modification. Here is the faceplate again, and no modification to here. So that is the picking and gutting of junk. Hope you guys like this content. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.